All right, traders, it's Teamwitherving. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Today we're gonna be analyzing about 7 different pairs. This is for the week of December 7 to the 11. This is the last month of year 2020, so we're getting ready for 2021. So all I'm doing this year, guys, for the remainder of the year is I'm scalping the market. So I'm grabbing $100 to $800 a day, walk away. That's more than enough. So here it is. This is your weekly Forex outlook and review trading with Teamwitherving. So this is we're gonna be still using our multiple time frame to do our analysis. Let's go ahead and start with. Let me go ahead and type what kind of system we are trading above so you guys can see it, right? Because it makes my life easier, to be honest. So we are trading multiple time frame system. Our website is the following. It's www.twefforexsystem.com. So there it is. So it's ready there for you. So let's go ahead and start, guys, with GBP USD. GBP USD is already started momentum in a bearish position. So, but this is what I think the market will continue to do now. Now we know the momentum already, it is on sell. Remember, the market here was bullish all this time, was going heavy. Boom! Look at that. Buy came in here and then same thing, buy. Right now we're seeing the momentum coming as bearish. So this is my opinion for this pair. So the market in here is gonna give it maybe 1 or 2 more candle, retrace back, and then market will continue as bearish. So yes, at the end of the day, I'm looking here for a sell position since the market is already giving us the heads up what is gonna happen next week. I mean tomorrow, right? So tomorrow is Sundays. Tomorrow is Monday. So Monday the 7th, right? So make sure this that you guys trade with rules. And so like that, you're not gonna be blowing your account, because I don't want no one to blow the account unnecessary if you follow rules. If you don't follow rules, there's nothing I can do. But please, guys, don't forget to watch the video that I created yesterday, Saturday, was the pre-week analysis that I did. And today, obviously, we're doing the weekly. And then we're gonna come back on Wednesday, 4 p.m. where we're gonna follow up and do the review. We're gonna review what we did yesterday, a pre-week, and today there is a full week analysis. So I already had the logo and everything ready to go. Let me know if you do have any question. But before we continue, guys, it's very important for me to let you understand that I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader showing you how to squeeze hundreds and hundreds. Wait. And what? And hundreds of pips. Let's go. So that's what we're here for. So let's go ahead and analyze silver. Silver is preparing to drop the ball down, guys. Silver, remember, silver is selling, bro. So that's what I'm thinking here. So now pay attention what is giving us here. It's giving us multiple time frame. It's giving us a signal. The market is getting ready for the drop. But the question is, Irvin, do you think silver is ready to drop yet? So I will say not yet. I will wait maybe up to 3 different candles. 1, 2, 3 different candles. From there, market will give us a signal of the drop, right? So and then market will come in here, giving us the sell, boom, and then boom, market will continue as bearish, because we're looking here for sell. Look at here, market is selling. This PV was very strong PV, and then now market will drop down. Any question, guys? Because this is, look, this is unique, guys. I love it. But this is what I think silver would do. Anyway, pay attention what the radar is letting us know here, guys. The radar is letting us know the market is is in a sell position. All right, so we're just looking to continue with the sell. So that's why I'm saying tomorrow, Monday, we're looking for a consideration of the sell. And please, guys, don't trade today. The market is gonna open at 5 p.m. Eastern time. Please don't trade today. Today is Sunday. You know, enjoy your family. Stay away from the chart. It's better because you're not gonna be grabbing a lot of pips anyway. Unless if you're gonna be scalping the market, but stay away. Go ahead and do something else, chill, or you know, go ahead and study our material behind scenes. So there's much other things you can do instead of blowing your account, bro. So that's what I'm saying. So let's go ahead and check Euro AUD. Pay attention what Euro AUD is doing. So Euro AUD is still in a sell position, guys, still dropping down. Pay attention what I have here. I said, look, the momentum already gave us here a buy position. Nope, not yet. I will wait probably 1 or 2 more candle. It's touching the buy zone, which is our 100 Fibonacci line. From here, yes, that's what I'm saying. The market from here, boom, will continue as buy position. This is Euro AUD. All right. But this, pay attention to the time frame I'm using, guys, because in here I gave you the analysis on 50 minutes. Let me go back and check your 4 hours, because all I care is the 4 hours, right? Let me make this. Let me go to daily, come back to 4 hours, bam, bam, bam. We're going to zoom in back to normal. Oops. We're doing this live, guys. You know what? Let me take this off. Let me take this off. Let's do it together. This is what I'm saying, guys. Market's still not ready yet. So market still, I would say, still gonna drop 2-3 more candles down. And then what do you think is gonna happen next? Boom. Market is gonna give us a buy position, retesting all these levels here, and then market will continue as what? Sell position. All right, so please be careful. I really like this pair, to be honest. I really like it. So I may consider trading this one as well. So it's one of my favorite. But let's go ahead and check the next one. Guys, let me know if you do have any question, because I'm here live with you. So it's very important for me to understand what's in your mind. And don't forget to watch the video that we created yesterday, okay? And for those that want to join our Gold membership, that's what I recommend you to do. Instead of grabbing our multiple time frames straight up, please go back and join the Gold membership. Study the material in there, become a better trader for year 2021. And then, boom, you will be trading with rule. Other than that, you know, if you don't trade with rule, the system will not work. No matter what you're going to be doing on any other pairs, it will not work, because you must have discipline. All right. Don't think, you know, trading is easy. Trading is an art. You need to draw your imagination, draw the right levels, right? It's very talented skills that you are getting into your brain. So master your rules. Trade with rules. Pay attention here on Euro NCD. Euro NCD is very interesting as well. Pay attention what our radar is letting us know here. Every single one, guys, is settling down. Remember, the market is in a sell position. This PV here is game over. Boom, game over. Now, this guy letting us know, Irvin, we're in a sell position. Boom, let's wait. Boom. Look who's getting ready. This guy is getting ready for the drop. Now, my question is it ready yet? No. Based on my analysis, I don't think this is ready to be in a sell position yet. So this is remember, guys, this is not this is not signals. Please don't use this as a signal, because they're very accurate. I'm just giving you the information on how our multiple time frame works. We don't trade every single movement the market gives us. We have rules. If you think what you're seeing here is amazing, you must know what the rules are, and that will help you to become the trader you want to be for year 2021. 2021. So this is me for this particular trade here. I'm looking here to market still giving us one or two more candle, and then market will give us a small reversal, right? Why is the reversal very important in this opinion here? Because the reversal is gonna reinforce this drop here, because right now it's weak, it's getting ready, but it's not fully ready yet for the market to be in a bearish position here. So that's why I think this pullback is gonna be very important for the market to confirm that drop and say, okay, now we are in a sell position. And then and then from this particular area, yes, we'll see what we need to see in here. Then we're gonna see that drop. Boom. That is me, guys. I think this analysis here in Euro NCD is good. Anyway, we coming back on Thursday, right? I'm sorry, on Wednesday, 4 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna review this live with you, the video that I did yesterday, our pre-week, right, and the video that we are doing today, the weekly. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday at 4 p.m. where we're gonna review everything that you are seeing today, and then you get to ask questions and so on. All right. So, but yes, I think Euro NCD is sitting in a very sexy location, but please go back to your system, make sure if these rules apply based on your styles or trading, and just learn one way, guys. Just stay to it. And one recommendation, one tip that I can give everyone is, guys, stop going from from one indicator to another indicator, or either going from one telegram to another telegram, join this telegram. Stop doing that. Master one thing, become a good thing. Look, 2020 is over. It's done. The question is, I bet a lot of traders didn't learn much because they were jumping from one trade, from one mentor to another mentor to another mentor, and you never realized you wanted to master everything at the same time. No, master one thing at a time. Remember, kids don't just burn walking. They don't burn running. They scroll. It's a baby steps that you must do. So here it is. All right, so let's go ahead, guys. Let's go ahead and I drop here Euro NCD because I was getting a lot of text. Irvin, why did you not analyze Euro NCD last week? And I did make that video on Tuesday with my team behind scene, because we do video on Tuesday, private video, and then we release it when it's a bit late. Once the class is over, we release it on YouTube, but we do it privately, one-on-one behind scene. And I told everyone on Euro NCD, guys, I'm sorry, Euro USD, the market was still in a buy position. Pay attention to this guy here. This momentum here was still in a buy position. So officially now, the market, you can go back to this system and check, guys. To be honest, some of you guys are not part of our multiple time frames, so I don't know what system you guys are using, but go back to whatever system you are using and check if your system is letting us know the market is in a sell position. I did a video on Friday, right, this past Friday, where check that video. By the way, what was the title of it? Let me look for it, so I need to share it with you. Check that video. Where is it? Let me go ahead and bring it. I think it's very important for you to watch and see exactly what I'm talking about. And then I did explain what Euro NCD was gonna do for the rest of the week, and obviously this coming week. Let me go ahead and bring this here. Look at here. This is the channel, right? This is our channel here. So this is the week that I did yesterday, right? This is the pre-week, and this is the video that I want you to watch. Why you lose more money than what you make trading Forex. Go ahead and pay attention to that one. That one is very interesting. I did make that one out for you, so it's there. So it's there. So just take a look at it. That will help you, to be honest. All right. So just want to give you that extra knowledge in there, but it's up to you. Some of you don't want to be trained, so it's fine. My job is to give you the best of the best. Now, do you want to use it or not? That's really up to you. Because I mean, I can do so much, but if you don't want to help yourself, there is nothing I can do. But this is what I said that the market is gonna do on this particular pair here. I'm looking for the market still. Look, it's dropping right now, so maybe it's gonna drop one or two more candles in here. The market is gonna do a small reversal. Why is that reversal important? Because we want this particular drop here to be more conform, more stronger. But so far the market is selling, guys. Once the small PV return back, yes, we're looking for the sell to drop. So yes, I will be on this particular trade here because I do like it. Not immediately. Maybe I will enter maybe on Tuesday, just to give it a day to see how the movement works out. But I think the sell is performing very sexy. We're gonna come back on Wednesday and you will see it. Hopefully you will like it as well. But make sure you check your trading skills, guys. This is I really like this pair. And let's see, let's trade. Let's come back on Wednesday. Let's reanalyze everything all over again. Let's make money together and let's go. Do you guys have any question, guys? I'm very excited. Just bear with me. Sometime you know, this I really get it to my mind. Oh gosh, I love it. Please don't forget to watch that pre-week analysis video that I did yesterday, Saturday, right? I just show you that it was there. Today is Sunday, so Sunday the 6th, and tomorrow is Monday, first day of trading, second week of December 2020. Let's go. So we're almost done. We're almost there. So 2021 is going to be over. Join our Go membership. That is what I recommend you to do. Don't jump into the multiple time frame yet, because you need to know how to trade with rules. So any question, guys? I'm very excited. Like I said, this is something that I really love to do, and hopefully you do too. So that's all I have, guys. So let me know in the comment below if you do have any question. I want to thank you anyway for coming in, being with me all this 2020. We have done so much together, and let's go. Let's keep making money together in this 2021. So God bless you guys, and God bless the United States. Take care, guys.